Hello traders, let's see in this video, is this a trend change or a dead cat bounce and the important levels for tomorrow. As per our yesterday's plan, Nifty touched this level, this point. We planned this yesterday. As per our yesterday's plan, if Nifty is going to open a gap down, it may retest till closing price or it may retest till this low price. After retesting, it may break this low. If it's not able to break this low, it may touch this point. That is what happened. And as soon as gap up opened, this level is not valid anymore. Only for retesting it is valid, and while retesting it broke this level and it went lower than a closing price and it bounced from here again. It consolidated in this range and it gave a breakout and it touched this point, our resistance level here. It touched this resistance level and it consolidated here in this range and closed around 24,360 level. Let's watch the video what we planned yesterday. After watching that video, let's plan for tomorrow, important levels and how Nifty is going to trade tomorrow with a plan. And if it opens a gap up, it may trade inside this range. First, it may try to retest till the closing price. If the closing price is also not able to sustain, it may retest this level. If this level is also not going to sustain, it may fall. If one of these levels are going to sustain, this level may retest this level and trade inside this range. Or if this level is going to be sustained, it may trade inside this range. This is what we planned yesterday, and the same thing happened in market today. I hope you are seeing the power of analysis. To learn this price action techniques, just watch the video and note down the important points in a book so that you can implement this price action techniques and this knowledge in your daily analysis. Okay, let's plan the levels for tomorrow. Let's mark the levels, important levels. This is the resistance. Tomorrow this is going to be the resistance and this is a support, immediate support and resistance. And one more important thing is there is a simple setup tomorrow. If this trend line breaks, if Nifty opens inside this range, anywhere inside this range, this low and this high, if it breaks this trend line, we can see a target of this level easily. That is the easy setup, one of the easy setups. And after that we'll see other levels. This is one of the important support areas, another important support area, and this is also one of the important support area. Okay, after that let's draw these levels. This is the same level, it's almost the same, and the next level is here. And after that there are multiple levels. I'm going to show you. You can remember this or mark them on your chart. This is one of the level, and another one is here around this zone. From here to here, this is one of the zone, and this is one of the important zones, which is around 24,800, and it's 500 points away from this level where it is trading now. And let's see, is it a trend change or a dead cat bounce? Let's see the price action. Nifty made a low here, and after that it made a high. I can consider this as high, and it made a low. This high is higher than this high and it made a low. If tomorrow Nifty breaks this high, we may see a trend change. It may go lower and it may break this level. If it breaks this level, we can see it is a trend change. And in intraday, if we see, this is a trend change. It made a high, it made a low, and it broke this high. This is an intraday trend change, but in a positional, if you want to see, it should break this high once again. We should consider this as a high. This is a low point, and here it is going to make a lower high. If it breaks this high, this is a trend change. This is what I consider as a trend change in a positional daily time frame. Nifty should trade above today's high. If it's not able to trade, and if it's going to make another lower high and it breaks the low or this low, we may see a further selling. And let's create the plan, and the plan is simple. I am seeing only one setup. If it opens inside the range after breaking this trend line, we may see a target of this level. If it breaks this lower level, there are multiple supports here. It will be difficult for the market to move. It is going to make a move and consolidate, and then it is going to break, and there is one more support. If it's going to consolidate and break, there is one more support. It may happen like that, or it is going to break this level and it may consolidate and bounce back, and here it may do like this. This is also possible. And one more scenario is opening a gap up. If it opens gap up, this level will act as a resistance, or Nifty may reach this level and consolidate. It may break. If this level is going to break, we can see further up move. And there is one more resistance here. I think I haven't marked. This is a one more resistance. If this level is going to break, we may see further up move till this point. If it's going to open inside, the target should be here. If it opens here, after breaking this high, the target should be here. And if it opens a gap down, it may retest this low or till closing price, and it can touch this point. If it's going to break this low once again, and if it breaks this level, it may touch this point. That's going to be my plan. And after opening a gap up, it may retest this closing price, or it may go beyond that and it may bounce back. This is my plan, and I'm expecting a flat opening tomorrow. If it opens flat, this is a simple setup. Breakout on the upside, this is the target. Breakout on the downside, this is the target, or you can wait for this target also. It is possible. Let's see what happens tomorrow, and also let's see the OI. Let's see the OI. Option sellers created a short straddles around 24,400 and 24,500. 24,500 is a resistance, and 24,000 is a support. Then option sellers added these put positions 24,200 and 24,300 also. Short straddles are created at 24,400. Then 24,500 is a resistance, and the PCR is at 0.85. This is indicating a bearishness in the market. If it breaks this high tomorrow, we may see the PCR changing to bullish, that is around 1 or above 1 of trip. Another low, if it's going to break this level, or from here it is going to break this level, the trend is going to change. The trend is going to change in positional time frame. That's all. I hope you understood the plan. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications.